Good morning, everybody. All right, love it. You guys are in the chat already. So I am right now looking at some prop firms because I do have to grab some accounts real quick. And I know there's some people that need to know how to do this. Spoke to them yesterday, and it is quite a confusing process for new people. So let me get in here. Oopsie. No. Disregard. Sorry, I'm sending text messages out to people. All right. All right. So I think right now the better of the accounts price-wise is Top Step. So I'm going to open an account with Top Step. I don't know if I should do a 50K or if I should do 100K. Let's see what they got. All right. So as you come into this area, by the way, how is the music? Good morning, everybody. Guys. Yes, nice to see you guys. Okay. As you come into here, you have two separate options when you come into Top Step. You can either do this $99 one, or you can do no activation for $129. I recommend the no activation because I'm pretty sure this one, the activation fee is like, $150 after you already spend $100, and that doesn't make any sense at all. So if you're good and you're taking it slow and you know what you're doing and you've gotten to the point of being funded before, then that is definitely my recommendation. If you're going to do the 50K ones, you can do that as well. I think I want a little extra drawdown. So I think I need to get 100K. It would just make more sense. I think. Daily loss limit, payout cap, double payout cap. What is that? Is that new? How to earn a payout. Oh, look at that. Okay, and these have $4,000 payout cap. So if I got 5 of those, let's see. Let's do some quick math. Quick math. 85 times 5 is 425. And then 129 times 5 is 645. And then the difference is 2, 4, 6, 8, $10,000. Kind of leaning towards this one. Because even if I got 2 of these, it'd be 12K. Okay. All right. I think I'm gonna do that. I'll do select 100. Let me quickly take this off. Oh, you guys can't even see what I'm doing. Sorry. Well, it's fine. Here. Share this tab instead. All right. Sorry. I was talking all through this here. So they have 2 type of accounts. Standard is, you pay $50 or you pay $99, but then you have this, you have an activation fee of $150. So I usually skip that and I do no activation because I'm pretty frequent of just getting through and getting funded. And I just go straight to these. So I'm going to pick up 2 of these because they have a thing right now saying that the payout cap is 6K. Or do I do this one? 10,000? I don't know. All right. Anyways, teammate Alex was telling me to do the 150K, but I've never used it before. And I feel like that's so much, like your daily, you have to get 9,000. I don't know. I don't know. How much do I usually risk on a funded? It depends what I'm doing. I have a high risk situation when it comes to my evals, but then on my fundeds, I'm not really that high risk. I like to usually if I have like a 2,000 drawdown, maybe I'll risk like $300. Yeah, I'm really struggling. I don't know if I should get the 100K. All right, I think I'm used to the 100K, so I'm just gonna get this. All right, let me not put my card information on here. Give me 1 second, guys. You can stare at my trading chart real quick. I'm also gonna go over my trading chart in about 2 minutes and set everything up so you guys can see like how I set up my charts. We have 3 minutes to the open. Which card? This one. Confirm and pay. Who has? Let's see who has the promo code. You guys never have promo codes. Does anybody know a promo code for Top Step? Anybody out there feel special today? You want your promo code to get used? Let me know. All right, so responsible trading advantage, they call it. Yeah, I already tried code. I tried Zarb, our boy Zach over there at Prop Firm Match, and then I also tried Match, but they don't usually do things. So usually they just put it on their website, but I'm just gonna go ahead and purchase this so I have something. We have like a minute till the open. Let me get another one going real quick. Select. Let's see if we can get this and get over to the next. I understand. Yes, bill me, take my money. It's fine. I don't need it. Right. Double payout cap, $129 confirm and pay. Without the other else. All right, cool. All right, we are good to go. So one thing with Top Step that there typically is not, beep bop boppity bop. Share this tab instead. One thing with Top Step to note is that you can't access it through here. You actually have to go into a new tab and then do topstepx.com, and you have to log in again through their trading platform. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna go and share that tab. And we got 200Ks. Nice, nice. How settings? I'm gonna go in here. I'm gonna basically grab an account. I'm going to copy trade it, save, enable copy trader. I'm gonna go into my risk settings, my friends, and let's say I'm a little more aggressive on these accounts because I have quite many. I have 3,000 drawdowns, so I'm gonna risk trailing off. Okay, I'm gonna risk that on these. Yes. All right. Cool. Let's see what the open's doing. Let's see if it's, wow, thank you. I haven't traded Top Step since NASDAQ was 24,000. Insane. All right, we're gonna go back to our chart, mark it up real quick. Good morning, Philip, everybody. Hi guys, hi. Okay. Let me also switch this up a little bit. Yeah, that song. All right. You guys know the deal. We're marking up point of control from yesterday, 30-minute time frame. Go get your indicator, session volume profile, because we trade session volume profile. I'm gonna jump in here. You're gonna mark out that middle one from yesterday, and I'm gonna go label that POC. Same thing today, WAP. Label that value area high, and one more for value area low. Once those are marked out, that's our volume profile. I'm going to go back to the 1 minute chart. I'm going to turn on my indicator for midnight price. Where is midnight price? Where art thou? This one? Yeah, right there. All right, so midnight price marks out the opening price at midnight, and that's the blue line. We want to see if that's been engaged. It has not. That is approximately, statistics say it's about a 70% setup. So I'd like to find a trade to get in short down to this area. That's going to be like one of my first things that I'm like looking for. So if we come back up here and then we can get an inversion fair value gap back down, I'm getting short and I'm taking it to this level. Obviously there's levels that it needs to hit before. So it needs to hit there, it needs to hit there, and we're looking for those to get swept. But that would be like the overall idea is down here. This right here is an 80% setup. So you guys already know. All right, what's next? How's the music level? If you guys are getting blasted over there. All right, what's goody? Next thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my kill zones for London lows. That is a level that we watch. Label that. We're already kind of getting this selling energy, so I'm not going to label the London highs. We've already taken it. But I am going to come down here and label, like we have Asia highs, but since we're not on the up and up, I'm not labeling it. We have Asia lows. I'll label that out. And then that's also yesterday's lows, overnight lows and yesterday's lows. Yeah, we don't need to do anything there. All right, so now that that is set up, I'm going to get rid of these blocks and I'm going to start looking on higher time frames to get like an idea of what's going on. So right now you guys see we're kind of like chopping around, but we're kind of like selling off energy. This also looks like it could have the momentum to come back up. So I'm keeping that in mind, but I don't see anything that really stands out. There's no gaps or unmitigated fair value gaps or anything like that. So 4 hour, let's see what we got. We got one in here. So I'm going to keep an eye for that. That's pretty much it. You got some nice little wiki wicks here. We'll see how that wants to go. Okay, hourly. What do you guys think today? Anybody watching anything or trade anything this morning? Okay. Nice. All right, I don't really see anything else that really stands out to me right now. But yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of room below on the 5 minutes down here. I'm your mentor. I love to see it. Good morning, Manish. Okay, perfect. So we're getting that I mentioned earlier where price is coming back up. So ideally, price closes below this and holds resistance at this fair value gap. And then because we're creating a new fair value gap right here, I just need to see a closure below and then I can get in this way. That would be the ideal sitch. Do you consider time as a factor in your trading? Yes, I did. I did kind of just go over like my charts where I set everything up. I go in on a higher time frame and I work my way down. I started on the daily just to kind of get an overall view of what we're doing today. And then I worked down to the 4 hour. This is a gap that's relevant to me because it's not mitigated. 1 hour gap, 1 hour, then 15 minute, 5 minute. The longer, the higher the time frame, the longer I stay in. All right, we might get this closure like pretty quickly. So we're looking for a closure below that gap, and that's going to give me an inversion fair value gap to get in. Closure below 157, and I would be like stoked. I'd get in, take this down to Asia or London lows right here, or these lows right here. So like we would be looking at something. It would be a little bit of a crazy stop, but we're looking for something. We get a closure below here. We're looking for this to maybe come back up and retest a little bit, give us a little bit of, not retest, but give us a little bit of a pullback so we can get a good entry. Let's see. Patience though, patience. Just opened some fresh accounts with a prop firm, TopStep. They have the cheapest ones right now. Sorry, trying to. All right. Do you consider full port shorts? Say less, I'm in. Okay, like you can or cannot trade pre-market or at times. Oh, yeah. Okay, Valar. So I do consider the time when I'm trading very important. I usually trade for the first hour or two, and then lunch hour turns on. People go lazy for a bit. The market dies out. There's no volume. And I get off for the day. But you can absolutely trade Asia session, which starts at 5, which is 8 p.m. my time. That's where you get the most volume. And you pretty much just want to check when volume is the best. Let me see. I'm going to drop something in the chat. Okay, there is a website that actually shows, I think it's Market Watch. Futures. I don't remember what it is, but there's a website that you can actually see the volume. I personally don't. I could just look at the chart and be like, okay, there's volume or there's not. Let's see. Are we going to get it? I'm also going to turn on my little VWAP stitch. Inversion potential about to form. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Zach Dean. Let's see what it does. See, like what I'd like to see to get just a little bit of a stronger knowledge that this is going to work is we got 1, 2, and it closed below here. And then we get a third, right? I'm not going to get it. This is perfect. This is a perfect setup. I'm not going to get in at the closure of this candle. I'm going to wait for price to come back up and tap into this fair value gap. I'm going to set a limit order right here so that I can get a better entry. Just secured a payout on Tradeify. Let's go, Sakuna. W's in the chat for Sakuna. You're crushing it. Crushing it. Love that. Love to see it. Okay. Let's get ready. I'm setting my limit order for like 172. Limit sell. Probably 3 micros. And if it doesn't get me in, that's okay. There's going to be plenty more trades. I usually don't trade the open anyways. So And volume honestly looks like pretty lackluster right now. Price action's just moving sideways. My entry limit order is actually, yeah, 172. It just tapped in there. It might go without me. If that's the case, it's literally no problem at all. We'll get another one. Yeah, I just kind of want to like, good morning. Pop in, fam. Pop in. I made like this whole thing last night. I put like, look, your space is right here under me. All right. Limit order is set. Come on. Tap me in, coach. Erkan, I made you a song. All right. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm at 172. All right. We're in. Cool. All right. Share this tab. Okay. The idea is we do need to give it some room, but we're looking for these to get swept. I personally would put my stop up here. Even if these get swept, I do think it'll go lower. Like my overall idea for the day is like midnight price. What do you think, Erkan? Erkan's midnight price king. Like midnight price is at, so we have London lows at 88 and then we have 29.70. So one thing that I like to do is like if we can sweep these lows and then I can get a better entry and it come back up, I'll get in it for a second trade. And then same thing, every level that it goes to sweep, like if you can get a better entry, it's great. Oh, beep, beep, get out of here. My entry was right there. 172, actually. 172. And my stop is above previous structure. Actually, technically that's previous structure. I'll give it some space though. This is the opening range high. I would just feel better putting it up here. Yeah. Let it do what it do. Nice, nice. We're already in the monies. Okay. 72 would be like the $72 is right here. That would be like, that would be that. Okay. I told myself that I'm only trying to take like a few trades a day. You're backstage? No, you're not. Maybe I gave you the wrong thing. Hold on. I probably like, wait, give me a second. I think I have given you the wrong thing. Give me a second. Go to your, yeah, I gave you the wrong one. Go to your Discord and hop in the new one. I don't know who, hopefully you're not just like at some random person's stream. Oh, guys, we're on. Do you want to see? We're on. Sponsor me. Hey, shout out Red Bull. I want to be your first and only day trader drinking Red Bull. I haven't drank any yet, actually. Erkan, are you out there? What? Okay, I think I definitely sent you like the wrong. Oh, that's awkward. Futures. That is hilarious. Okay, good call on that. Okay, guys, so funny. Ooh. We don't need to click this. Okay. What's goody? Okay, you're so right. That's crazy.
Hello.
That an accident. I have to go fix that.
It's okay.
See, this is why tech is just not my thing.
It's not your thing. It's okay.
It's not my thing.
Good morning, chat. Yeah, so I'm in the shorts with you.
Nice. I totally forgot about it. You scared me when you said that my description said that. I was like, oh my goodness.
Yeah, I know.
Heck no.
You're like, hell no.
No, it's not made for kids. Thanks. Let me make sure it doesn't say that anywhere else. Okay, live. All right, somebody in the chat, I need you to go refresh your page on YouTube and just tell me. Did you get out of that, by the way?
No. I'm gonna hold it to midnight.
Okay, that's where I have mine. I might add in, but maybe I won't.
What's your add-in criteria there? Like what?
Like there's actually no add-in criteria. Like if it retests this again, maybe, but it's already mitigated, so it's probably not worth doing it.
So we got the first break of the opening range, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna wait for retest of New York. That would be a good place to add in, right? Like right around 29,161.
29.
Or you can add in opening range low. Looks like these relative equal lows got swept here. So just be vigilant with your...
Yeah, that's why I was saying like we swept that level, and that's why I was asking if you were going to get out of it.
I am overall bearish bias.
Yeah.
There's clear liquidity targets to the downside. There's equal lows. You know, I'm sorry. I know you like me sharing my chart, so let me do that.
Yeah. As long as we don't close above this little 1 minute gap, then I have no quarrels about my trade. We don't have any other gaps forming. So yeah, I'm fine if it wants to play around my entry for a second, but as long as we don't close above the
gap. I think I'm definitely going to keep a wassel on this one. Like
above the opening range high?
No, like even like into the outer space here, like 600s.
600 here. I'll share your screen.
Oh yeah.
I'm a little embarrassed. 600.
Yeah, let me.
Like 29,600.
Yeah.
That is a freaking wassel.
That's a wassel if I've ever seen one, right?
That is the wasseliest wassel that I would lose my account.
Yeah. All right. Let's see.
Now, typically,
how come? Yeah, go ahead.
I would want to see this kind of. Where is the New York right now? Let's throw that on. I would close my trade and wait for another entry if we close above that 1 minute fair value gap. And normally, like that was where I entered at the retest of that fair value gap. I should have taken it at the lows and just got a new entry from the top, like I was saying, but I was like worried about that description thing and I had to get that fixed. So
nothing on the screen right now.
Oh, well, that's why you stop unstaring it. But yeah, no, it's fine. Like I was saying earlier that I would take at this first level. That's your first level, and that's the low-hanging fruit. I would have taken there and then try to get another entry and
Okay.
take it down to the next level, which is London lows. So you basically just get like 2 different trades out of one. But if we were to close above this, it kind of invalidates my trade and we might sit in this a lot longer, like, you know, having to deal with that. And I didn't take profit because my description said some BS.
I think I think we got plenty of room to the downside. I think this is a good trade location. What's your sizing looking like?
I have 3 micros on. What do you have?
Oh, you're chilling. Yeah, I got 2 micros. But even I got an eval right now with 10 micros, so I'm not even sweating.
This is my eval. You're crazy. I said that I trade them crazy. You trade them crazier.
Yeah.
I was like,
I'd like to pass in a couple days. Did you end up buying the 5 accounts?
I just bought 2 right now.
Oh, you got 2? Oh, nice. 150?
No, they're 100s.
100s? Okay, whatever you're comfortable with.
Yeah, that's what I've been trading. So I just feel like I know my sizing. I went back to 50s like after trading 100s for a while, and I blew the shit out of them.
50s, right? Yeah, I know. 50s, I blow through those 50s like no problem.
Yeah. I almost feel like there's more power in getting used to trading 50, and then when you start getting better at trading and you're good at trading them and you can pass them every time, to go up to 100, because that just extra $1,000 in drawdown is so clutch. Stay trading your same size, like, you know, keep it as is.
I agree.
So I feel like now that I'm used to 100s, I should go up to 150s, but we'll do it next time.
Cool.
Yeah,
so I see this previous 15-minute. All right, I gotta figure out the sharing screen thing. I'm sorry, Mavi.
If you leave it shared, and then just say,
I'm like,
and then I'll do.
Yeah, I'm like leaving it shared, right?
Yeah.
Am I?
Yeah, you're on.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we swept this, right? We swept the previous day's high, Monday's high. We have a nice bearish engulfing with the, liquidity sweep to the upside here. Took out Asia's stops. We have midnight price below us. Yes, I am the Midnight King. Zach taught me a lot of things about midnight, so he's the Midnight King. So what I typically like to look for these bearish engulfings at the open is like I like to measure it out. If we start like trading above it, like into the 886 or even closing above this, then the shorts would be off the table for me. 50% is still okay. Like even in this area here, it's okay for an entry short. Take it down to these lows, but my liquidity target's down to this midnight price and also down here as well, where let me delete all this nonsense here.
We have some we have like I think it was like a hourly gap down there. POC's at 979.
So all this right here is low resistance liquidity. Let's see, previous day's point of control, we are below it, correct? We're over here. This is previous day's point of controls with the 400s, remember? I was talking to you about the 400s.
What?
The previous day's point of control?
I have my PD at
previous day's point of control.
At like 979.
979.
Where did you get yours from?
Previous day's point of control?
Yeah.
It's weird.
Or not that. Hold on. Wait, 30 minutes. So I set mine up on a 30-minute chart. And then
30-minute chart for me too.
And then I use yesterday's.
Yeah,
so I have
979. Right? See your screen. See, as soon as you switch to your screen, my thing stopped sharing.
Well, no, you unshared yours. That's why.
No, I
I
didn't.
know
I didn't touch anything.
a little messy, but my previous day's point of control is right here at 979. So like this is today's, which is up here at 170, and this is yesterday's. So I set it up to
my
you.
bad. I apologize. You were totally right. 979, 28,979. This is what I was saying was 29,400 was a naked point of control. I apologize.
There you go. Naked point of control.
Yeah.
I like those too. Is that why your wassail is all the way up there at the naked point of control?
Yeah.
Okay,
exactly. So our trade's looking good, right?
It's looking good. It's looking good. Now that
we
we
wanted to add in, did you add in?
I did not know. I should have. Since you have 10 contracts on, I should have. We are about to take London lows at 89 though. So I could be keen on taking 2 off and then adding in like 3 or 4 if it goes back up.
Okay.
Because taking 2 off would bag me about 400 and something.
Who's in this trade chat? SM5, he says, what's naked point of control? So any point of control that is unmitigated or like untapped from the previous session.
Day, previous week, previous month.
And we look at those at the 30-minute time frame.
Now I might add in.
Okay.
I'll just throw one on for kicks and giggles.
Okay. What's ES looking like? Definitely looking good.
I never look at it. I don't know.
Me either. Lately I haven't been. But I know Zach likes to look at the S&T and all that stuff. And
I know. I would. It's like the last thing on my mind always. Wait, so here's your song. There's 2.
Oh yeah. You made a song?
Yeah, I made you a song.
Nice. Yes, it's more
Tell you what price action is not. It's not clean.
Wake up and need a long candle on gold.
$9. You have no right to do that, buddy.
You talking to your trade?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of looking like a double break a little bit, right?
Yeah.
I'm not convinced. I think either we get some chop today for this New York session, or we get some follow through.
I mean, we got a solid break of the New York. If it doesn't turn around, we'll take a small loss and then just wait.
It's an eval, right? You're just doing eval?
Yes, but
okay. Do what you like. Do your thing.
I also added in. Now I have 10 contracts. So
now you have 10 contracts.
Now I have 10 contracts. Do me right. Let's go. Come on, sell off.
Go.
Like I don't even need it to go that far. Let's see, 29072. At 29072, which is midnight price, I would have up to okay, which is decent. I would only need like one more trade after that. Okay.
Yeah, this is looking super choppy here at this level. I'm not sold on anything right now, but I still believe in the shorts.
I do too, but it might be one of those slow roll kind of days where it plays out late and screws everybody until they lose their accounts, and then because they're targeting prop firms. They're definitely.
They are. For sure. I could feel it.
They don't want us to win. Okay.
They don't. They definitely don't. We have to stay solid through it all.
Yeah, guys, this is one of those days that you could capitalize on the market so much, because now we know it's kind of like chopping around. You can get in and out at the same entry and take it down to the same. Woo, it's looking good. All right, you're doing it. I am gonna start trailing, because I said I definitely size pretty aggressively.
Yeah, I think that's a good way to go.
We have 89. That will be the next target to get hit. Hopefully it just slices on through, and maybe I'll give this some more space in case it wants to keep slicing.
The base hit is definitely gonna be midnight.
For sure.
For sure. So I'm gonna take it there.
I mean, London lows though is at 89. And like
89?
From what I've seen right now, okay, I did get out of the trade, but I might.
You're full out?
Yeah, it tapped me. I was trailing.
Okay. All good.
Also,
what's your P&L?
My P&L right now is like 1,100.
Okay, pretty decent.
I'm gonna drop some more right here though.
Fast hands.
Bitch.
Did you see my impersonation of teammate Alex?
Yes. Yeah, for a minute I was like, wait, you're going live with teammate? Oh, bro. We were on the phone for like a minute last night talking about just the way he trades and like stuff, things and NDA things, and yeah, we were just like chatting, and I was like watching this video that he sent me, and I was like, so we trade very similar, like very on similar, except
I know, same.
He has it so dialed when it comes to like, come back up, do your thing, come on. I want to see. I do want to see it keep chopping around. I want to see, now that we've engaged that 89, I'd love to see it come back up. I'll get in again and take it down to midnight.
Cool.
This is one of those days that it's just like, it's going where it's supposed to. It's just taking a minute to get there. Yeah, we're going to midnight.
Beautiful trade, chat.
Oh, yeah.
Beautiful trade, chat.
Yeah, you guys let us know. W's in the chat if you took the trade. Let me know your P&L. Let's see who's red, who's green. Called it. Yeah, I called this like early. And I don't know when you got in, but I got in I was like, we started selling off this morning, and I was like, I need to see price come back up, and then I need to see an inversion fair value gap, and we got it.
Yeah, I think I saw you take that. I was like, okay.
And then to tap back into this inversion fair value gap. I know that was a little scribble, but come on. Okay. Now I want to see price come back up. Like, give me another shot. Let me pass this freaking account. I wish there was 1 day passes with this company.
I know. That's why I go heavy, just do the 4,500 right away. Or what is it for you? 3,000? No.
Yeah, 3,000.
Profit target?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, so you're good. I think you don't need any more money, do you? Or what? Like $100 more?
What do you mean? No. This is. Wait.
This is a eval, right? Top step eval.
I need 6K.
Oh yes.
100K account. I need 6K. I was like, what?
Got it. Yeah.
All right, so let me tell you guys real quick that I did just add a position. Bleep, 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 bleep.
Fast hands, chat.
There's a reason. I'm willing to let this come back up here and risk some of my profits. And if it comes back up here, I'll add in. But we had a fair value gap right here. We tapped into it. And I just think that we're going to go down, grab that midnight price real quick. We might even dump, honestly, the way it's acting.
Yeah,
now.
I mean, that's kind of like what I see. What I want to see is a dump.
Yeah, like you see how every time it's come back up, it's been like strong move up. It's gotten to that point, strong move up. It's retouched in that same gap every single time. This one came up strong, and now it's just rejecting. So I kind of feel like we might just get a full sell down to value area high, which I don't really pay attention to that when we're selling off. But we also have this overnight VWAP as well. And maybe we'll just go down and sell.
Yeah, I'm with you there. I'm with you there, partner.
Howdy, partner. No problem. Can I hold a position for days? There are certain prop firms that you can hold positions for days. There's a pro account and a one account at E8 Markets. Shout out E8 Markets. And you can trade them, like, I don't know if you can do futures, but you can do, I traded NASDAQ, Dow, and all that with my one account. And I held a trade overnight and made like $9 grand. I think swing trading is elite, and there's a reason that they don't allow you to do it on prop firms, because they would just lose too much money. It's definitely easier to trade swing than it is. Oh yeah, let's go. Come on.
Let's go, chat.
Come on. I'm trailing. Did it touch midnight yet?
Not yet. Almost.
72 or
Almost.
7?
We're edging it. We're edging. About to hit it.
72?
Come on.
Get in there. Don't play with me. Just go. All right, I'm going to give it a little space.
And we're out.
I want to see it down like further though. 51. I want to actually.
I'm gonna take that base hit. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, chat.
Did it happen?
It happened.
Did it touch it?
Let's see what we got. I think we get some more movement here. I want to. Okay, so we locked it in, right? Are you out, Abby?
Yeah, I'm up 1,600. 2 trades. I will mark those right quick. Guys, this is my chart. Ew. Okay. Can I remove? Yes, beauty. All right, so let's talk about that real quick. We got the inversion here. We took our trade short at the retest. 72 was my entry. And I unfortunately didn't take that until we got down there. But then we took another trade here in this gap at the retest, short there. See, I kind of knew it's gonna come down here. I feel like it is. It's fine if it does. I won't be upset.
I mean, our job is to take a piece of the pie. We're scalpers.
Yes, you're so right.
You know, holding for high R multiples is kind of, you know, it's a rock star dream, but
yeah. Where could we get in again?
We just gotta reassess, you know, see what's going on.
I'm feeling like oops.
But the thing is, we're over here at the what is that, overnight? That overnight VWAP?
Yes.
Like overnight.
I don't think that's gonna mean much though, because we have, oh no, it took all of my things off. You're a bitch. Okay, hold on. We have some levels below. There's this hourly down here. Yeah.
There's more liquidity to the downside, you're saying?
Yeah, there's definitely more. Definitely more.
I agree. I want this to sell off. And I want this to take 28,700, keep going down. I'm definitely game for that.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Another entry.
Maybe in the PM session, might get something. Does look good. I mean, I'll have to see here. Like, we are getting some nice lower highs at the New York VWAP. So I mean, like, if you wanted to, I would consider this kind of over trading for my criteria. It would be like another short at New York VWAP.
That's what I was looking at, is like,
yeah, it's just another lower high, take it down, just like it's been doing all session.
Yeah,
right.
It would be that for me. But considering we did we didn't solid move, just, we didn't dump like 100, 200 points in a solid move. It took a minute. It chopped people up. So I feel like there's probably still, 200 points. There's probably still room to the downside. I might be willing to put like a tiny position on, since I've already locked in capital. And
can you risk sync? Are you gonna? Do you have other accounts?
It's on the same account. I might buy some more later.
For sure.
It didn't even touch that price though. So I kind of feel like maybe we do come back up, and this would be a solid trade. That would be your solid entry. This is also like right back in that same gap, which we've kind of been doing this. Yep. Oh, I'm not even showing you guys. Sorry. We're tapping back into this again. So VWAP is at 145. This could be a very tight limit sell too at 145. Okay. I'll cut this quick if it doesn't go in my favor. But your technical valid trade would be up here. But obviously, if we close above this gap, it would be telling me that, there's no more, like, there's another gap up here. But it would be telling me that we're probably going to do that double break thing, which we've been doing a lot.
Yeah, I like that analysis.
But it'd be
tap into it. Looks like we're tapping into it and selling off here. But
opening range.
I don't trust this 15-minute candle.
Yeah.
Because it has a no wick at the top. It has a devil's mark. I don't trust it.
I can't see.
I don't trust it. Okay.
Like, I don't know what a devil's mark is.
Yes, you're right.
Oh, wait, this is where there's no wick on it, so it comes back and fills it?
Yes.
Ooh, can we trade that? Can we trade that?
Of course. All the time.
How do you trade that? How do you get in? How do we get another trade on it?
You got to yellow the entry, kind of. It's a very risky play. I'm not gonna lie.
Contracts on and like cross my fingers.
It's a risky play. So let's look for areas of that it might bounce from. Okay, and then we could take a look.
VWAP.
like VWAP. But I'm kind of sussed out. I don't know. Because I'm bearish bias.
Totally. But like.
And as soon as I'm having trouble with the whole sharing thing, I'm not sure what's the deal. I'm having difficulty.
So you go to present.
Yeah. Yes, I did that, and my screen is not even here.
Do you have a like a Mac?
Mm-mm.
What do you have? It might have popped up in the background. Your pop-up screen.
It does it sometimes, but
Done
then
for the
sometimes.
day. All 3 green accounts. Let's go, Sakuna.
Let's
Sakuna's
go,
been
Sakuna.
crushing it.
Yeah, he's been dialed.
So dialed.
It's all about association, who you hang out with.
100%.
You know, it's like
100%.
it's really real. You
It's that
are
order
your.
flowing. He's out here order flowing.
He's an order flow beast.
Said call it a day before the market recoups. You're not wrong.
Ooh, okay, so I'm liking this reaction here.
I am too. I got my finger on the buy button.
Yeah.
But now it's too far.
Let's wait. Hold on.
I was looking for an engulfing candle, and it did, but it went a little bit more than I'd like.
It's happening a little too fast for me right now. I would have liked to have had a little bit more time.
All right, YOLO.
With that.
I YOLO'd it hard.
Yeah?
I put 8 contracts on.
All right, fuck it, I'm with you.
I'm trusting you.
Oh my god.
Let's go. Let's go.
Abby.
That was actually really fun. I should have held it.
Let's go. It did 600 on the funded.
So this is actually
fast
I
hand.
was going to get in short right here. But I kind of feel like I just did some stupid stuff and I should probably not get in short right there. We don't have to talk about that one. It's not recorded and put on
valid.
List of attorney.
It was valid. We were good. It was a good trade. We got long off of overnight.
Oh,
we had.
All right, now let's see if it goes in double breaks now. I bet it does. This was the fake out candle, that doubles mark. It went and filled it.
Yeah.
And I bet that shit wants to just go double break. So we also had a gap right here that we filled.
Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Could be a tricky day here.
Yeah. I mean, it's not a good break.
Staying at the desk for too long, you know?
We closed above this gap. Remember, we still have this one up here that's been mitigated like 16 times. I've also noticed in the past that sometimes, like, obviously there's more magnet from a gap that hasn't been touched, but sometimes the market will touch the same area over and over and over, and then it'll just hardcore dump on, like, after a few times.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Like that's what I'm expecting over here at
Here I do it.
706. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna put 2 on. If it closes above the gap, I'm gonna close it.
Okay.
And otherwise, because this is an eval, guys, I'm not funded. I am evaling it.
Yeah, she has a different goal right now.
I do. A different goal.
Otherwise,
I'm up also like $1,800 on my eval, so I have risk. If we close above this gap, I will not be holding that trade because that means it's probably going to go take out this area. Opening range high. All right, we're moving. Do we have what it takes?
Can we get some juice? I don't know. After this, kind of like looking at this, it's definitely moseying around, chopping. A lot of people are getting frustrated right now.
100%. And when they least expect it.
Exactly, you're right. When they least expect it, kaboom. We've been around these markets long enough to know.
Hey, Mom, if you're in the chat, drop a comment.
Mom?
Yeah, I sent my mom.
Mama watching?
I don't know.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom. I told her, don't act. I was like, you can watch, but don't act like my mom in the chat. You know, moms, they'll just get in the chat and say that my baby. My baby. No. All right, to explain this again, why did I take this suspect trade? because we tapped into the same gap that we tapped. So for me, I'm like, as long as we don't close above that gap, we probably still have more room down here. And I feel like I've seen a lot of the time where if we do kind of hold respect on the same gap over and over and over, it just means that we're going to end up tapping into it and then selling it because nobody trusted it. Stephanie says, I thought you were talking about me. No, you're California mom. I have another mom in California.
You do?
Yeah, I met her.
Hey, where are you from? Are you from California?
No, I grew up in Georgia. I lived in Ohio for a bit. I moved to New York when I was 17, and then I decided California was the warmest place and I wanted to live here. So I moved when I was like 20. I've been here for like 11.
It's the East Coast and everything, and
Whole vibe. I got the South, the Midwest, the East, the West.
Yep.
That's actually funny. I never thought about that.
I got the Northeast and the Southwest.
Michigan, right? Just kidding. I'm just kidding. You have it was somewhere.
Jersey.
Yeah. It was somewhere over there.
Jersey, New York, yeah.
All right. I'm gonna close this and I'll tell you why.
I agree.
Yeah, so we come down, we're holding respect to this little gappity gap. We already broke the New York once. If it wants to come and break it again, we might see to the upside. Like, I don't think this is the break. I think it'll go up, touchdown, and then maybe bounce or something. But like, I think it's gonna go up and double break us.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what ES is doing. Let's flip over to ES real quick. Yeah, it looks like ES is doing the double break. I know they're doing double break long already in ASFX chat.
Oh, probably. Right here, that was the perfect trade for them.
Yeah.
Right here.
There you go.
Yeah, that would be the ESers. There you go. Now just don't unshare it. When you want to be removed, just say, oh.
Yes, when I minimize the trading view, it disappears.
Then don't minimize your trading view.
All right.
There's also a thing that pops up at the top of every screen and it says share this tab. So if you want to share a different tab, you can just click that at the top of the screen. Capiche?
You say you're not tech savvy.
I mean, I'm this tech savvy. Like, it's pretty basic, Erkan. It's pretty fucking basic.
Would you take a long here then?
Me?
The double break play.
Yeah. That's what they've been doing, right?
They have been.
That's what's been printing for them. I would take a trade on NQ. Like,
where's my draw liquidity is my question. You know,
until
it's like here, open range high, I guess, but like, right?
I would take the trade. I would prefer to take the trade on NQ until it touched the opening range high on the other one.
Okay.
But like
once it's here for ES, you're saying you would start looking for longs?
Hold on, we're having a kerfuffle. Yeah. What did I just do with that? Do you ever just lose your screen that you have an active trade on? Jeez. Get out of here. Don't play with me. Sorry, what did you say?
I don't remember.
Sick. Yeah, like we're about to take it on ES. And I just need to see a little more buying pressure on ES for it to engage that.
Yeah. What I like to see is coming back
How
into this 1 minute gap.
All right, I did scalp it. Sorry.
You did?
Yeah.
Fast hand. She's fast. She's fast.
Speedy. My mom says, "Here. You can go to sleep, Mom."
Where is she?
She's here. She's just here.
Hi, Mom. I'm Aircon.
This is Zircon. We met at Black Shirt Club. Actually, no, we didn't. We met on Proper Mat. Do you think EA? Do you think NQ will take the high as well, or it'll?
I think so. I think so. This is a big 15-minute candle here, and we are ripping. So I think let me see what's going on here.
Oh, friends, like my stream. Like the stream for me.
I like how you started doing your own thing. I think it's a lot better for you and like just
mentally, emotionally.
Yeah.
And like I honestly I haven't worked for anybody in like 10 years. I had one tech company for like 6 months. I barely did anything because I just kind of consulted for them. Like I taught them how to do stuff in the crypto space. So I was like a consultant, and I would only get on like 3 30-minute calls a week. So that was cool. But since then, I haven't worked for anybody, and I've just been starting companies. And so working for a company was like kind of exhausting, emotionally and mentally and physically. Like obviously, I was down bad. Like I went through so many medical issues, and I was like trying to keep my footing and still show up and stuff, and I did. But having the ability to just be like, hey guys, I'm not going to be on stream tomorrow because I'm going camping. Like,
yeah,
I was so feeling detached from nature, and I kept trying to plan things, but the only 4-day weekends that obviously everything's really far. So you kind of like got to pick a 4-day weekend. And there's not many of them. So the 4-day weekends, all my friends were busy, and I couldn't go anywhere and do anything. And I was just like,
oh yeah. That's fun.
Do
you like to do a lot of like traveling or like adventures with your friends?
Yes. I love to just do anything and everything that I can outdoor because YOLO.
Yeah. I'm a big adventure guy too. I like having adventures.
Yeah. We love Aubrey's energy. Such smarty pants, amazing trader. Hands yellow, heart red. I feel like that was not meant to be typed. It like, thank you, Stephanie.
Stephanie. Are you? Is that your roommate?
No, Stephanie is actually a lady that I met at Alta. And I put her in Zach's training thing.
Oh, nice.
We did our own little like 2-hour training yesterday because she was like, I don't know how to use TradingView and blah blah blah. And I was like, I'll teach you.
Nice. Okay, share screen thing.
Yeah, I got you.
Go ahead and present.
The goal would be my P&L is 2013. You know?
What is it?
2000.
Okay, 2013. Okay, nice.
My goal,
and then you gotta do like another 1,000, right?
Would be another $987. $987.
I mean, we got all session. You know?
We do. And we can leave whenever we want.
Yeah.
We don't have to be anywhere. Abby skipped the Spanish stream with Angel today. No hablar español. Pero
En español.
te amo, Ángel. Estoy muy amazing. I
Increíble.
think that was like really bad Spanish, but I just
That was
said
actually really good.
I love
That was
Aim
impressive.
the best, and I will forever cherish his kind heart.
I think he just was settled in there. I know you wanted to take him with you, right?
I wish. Yeah, I'd love to if I could.
Yeah, he's a good kid.
I feel like, yeah, Angel was very complimentary to like me because he kept me very level.
Mhm.
He kept me very calm.
Yeah.
Okay, personal daily profit target. We're gonna call it 3,005. We're gonna liquidate.
No, you gotta do 3,000 under 3,000. So do 2,999.
No, because if it
Yeah.
does 1990, I'm gonna be like, you motherfucker.
Okay.
So I'd rather just have it like go over and then have to get more later.
Okay.
Because on your second go, you can do more.
Okay. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, I'm waiting for a pullback here to New York VWAP. You see that 1 minute unmitigated gap? If you get a pullback there,
MNQ? On MNQ?
yeah, MNQ.
Even though we already took opening range high
We didn't take over your try yet.
on ES.
On ES? Yeah, I don't doesn't matter.
You don't
That's fine.
bother that? That doesn't bother you?
No, I don't bother with that, no.
167, is that what you're saying?
Yeah, 162.
162.
162, 167.
Let's
That's
look.
1 minute.
What's he looking at, chat? So we are about to, okay. Teammate was telling me something. We create a 5-minute gap. He likes to see that both charts are going low to high, which they are.
Mm-hmm.
But then again, I don't know if that counts. Yeah, they're both low to high. Okay. And then he needs to see the 5-minute form. I'm going to butcher this. He puts this little thing over it.
Okay, puts a fib.
Yes. I think, actually, now that I think about it, I think this is upside down. Hold on. I think my fib's upside down. I think he does it this way.
Low to high.
Right.
Okay.
So then he would get in at this 35% mark. He would put his stop at the 50%, and then he would take it to the highs. So
okay.
I'm going to try.
That's definitely a riskier play. I would wait for a better price, but.
You think so?
Well,
we're going to tap into this little 5-minute.
We're going to 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. 5 minute. I was looking at the 1 minute.
35%.
5 minute. 5 minutes pretty big. So that's why I wanted to go into the 1 minute. So I could get a better price near New York.
Mm.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm. I do. You think it'll come all the way back down to New York, though?
Potentially. Potentially. Anything is possible.
Because New York.
I think the fact that we have broken on ES, we have broken the high, right? We've swept that. So I would like to see some retrace on ES. That's going to bring down NQ like we're seeing right now.
Yeah.
Bring it on down.
Okay. We
could have played that double break, Abby, but we were kind of taking a lot of trades.
Yeah.
Especially you.
I heard like I think I read something or heard something, or no, I opened up ASFX yesterday for a second, and they said something about the double break. They're like, we've printed on the double break every day this week, blah blah blah, and I was like,
Yeah.
I didn't realize what it is until you just said it's gonna go double break, and then I was like, oh, okay, valid. Okay.
The double break.
Let's teach you guys.
I want to hear my song.
Okay.
Play that song.
So, guys, in the top,
Make it or use the AI song.
do you guys see this like layout setup? If you go like this and you select this, you can actually watch multiple charts in multiple time frames. Actually, I don't know if that just worked. Wait, I want to look at MES. Yes, that's what I want. And I want this to be on the 1 minute. Okay. Gucci. Also, where are I want color?
So strong sell off here.
Yeah. Oh, I totally forgot I had a limit buy on.
Did you are you in?
No. It didn't touch it yet. Will it let me have two different charts? It won't. Do you know you can't have like one of each?
Really? What?
I mean, I'm asking.
Yeah, you can. So
How?
this is trading view, right? So go to click on the screen that you want to change, and then just look at the different symbol. Type in a different symbol.
Like right here.
Yeah.
I did.
Like, put MES or MIQ.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And it changes both.
Do you have some? You might have something linked. Let me see. Yeah. Is there something linked?
I don't know anything about it.
Usually they become two different screens, but it's MES. Yeah, it works for me.
What?
The trading gods just support me like that, you know?
SOS. Maybe, oh, because symbol interval syncing.
Maybe that's it.
But what are those? A water droplet.
Oh, yeah, what's the water droplet?
Let's try this. Oh, it worked. You're right.
Yes.
Okay. Whatever you did.
Okay.
Whatever you said.
Whatever I said.
It worked.
You're 5 minutes holding.
It is holding, but it hasn't touched the 35% mark. Now, okay. What I did notice as well, which would be somebody else's trading style that I learned on stream, is that we're kind of creating a little shelf right here. And if we break that shelf, we might end up selling off. But okay, anyways, we'll see. We'll see.
See, we were patient. We were waiting for this to come back.
Yep. Patiente.
Mm-hmm.
It did tap me in. If we get a closure below that 5 minute, I will close for a small L. Okay. But I am in. You. You're in it?
I'm with you.
Okay. It only has to go to the highs, and then I pass the the challenge today.
Nice.
Stephanie, I linked, but I unlinked them. Like I unlinked them. There was just like a little chain in the top right corner. All right, I need to see this recover. Come on, silly. You might have been right on your New York thing though.
Yeah, that was a better price. Always New York is a better price.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh.
I don't mind holding.
We could, because yeah, it's fine. I mean, what's your sizing looking like?
10.
Okay. You on the 10 club now?
I'm on the 10 club. I'm on the past this thing energy. We're printing today.
We are.
Yeah, we did really good today.
Yeah, I'm a firm believer in like connecting with like-minded people so that you can become like a mastermind and become a very powerful force.
We are that. I kind of want to protect my entry on this, because even if it wanted to come back down and go to the New York, like
I think the way you can protect yourself, I mean,
it's looking good though.
It's looking good. Like you don't have to choke the trade, you know, like keep it at a the
hard
low,
ones bro.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
29.11. That 29.111 is where I would put my stop. But
29.
you know, if you're used to trailing, you like that kind of, if that's your style, go for it.
Like I don't mind.
I think I might be full out here. I'm feeling the tingle, but I'm gonna be full out.
I might like also just be down to let it close and then look for another one, because
you're gonna go for high day.
No, like right now, it's, you look at the screen. Oh, you can't because you're probably not watching it.
Yeah. Okay. Cooking.
It just needs to go to 233 to get me what I need for the day. No, Valar.
You just smack the shorts and the longs.
Valar, you gotta. We said what was gonna happen today. You gotta be with us. We had your back. It's okay. Yeah, tomorrow's a new day. Honestly, this is why you gotta put.
Good Valor. I mean, what was your sizing like, Valor? Were you oversized? Would you manage risk? How did you take the L?
Come on, baby. Let's go. Bop. All right, we passed the account.
Let's go.
Not passed, but we passed.
Passed.
And then tomorrow and do the same thing.
Good job, Abby.
W's in the chat for Urcon.
Dubs for Abby.
I only did so well because Urcon. All right, we'll move this one. We'll come over here. I'm gonna mark up my trades real quick. You guys saw all of these, but if you guys want explanations again, I got you. Okay, W's in the chat for teammate too, because my entry was at that 35% mark.
Shout out.
Yes.
Shout out to the homie.
Shout out to the freaking dog, bruh.
The big dog. $10,000 on the day, chat. We are live. I like doing his impression.
Yeah,
did you see my impression of ASFX like from a couple years ago?
No, run it.
Oh my god, let's run it. Okay, hold on. Can you do it on your screen? Go to my YouTube and
yeah, here. YouTube. Hey, drop me the Discord link.
Okay, I'll send you the.
Or drop me the link on Discord. All right, that's there.
Okay, you gotta see this. This is funny. If you guys know Austin Silver or, James Bruce, those kinds of guys, you'll get a crack out of this one.
MNQ. Bruh, tell me why. Okay, I can't. I won't. Low to high. W's. Oh my goodness. My great. That's so great. Bruh. Sorry, I'm not even sharing. I'm just marking on my Twitter.
You mark up in the Twitter, right?
Yeah, I'm just gonna drop it on Twitter.
Did you ever do? Well, I'm sure you did use Tradezilla at one point, right?
I do. I have it. I paid the year, but I just don't use it anymore.
Yeah, I feel you.
Now, in retrospect, the only thing that I did that I am unhappy about today is I took more trades than I said I was going to take. But all of the trades were valid. And so it is what it is.
I mean, what's your thing? I mean, like, if you see a setup, you take it, or is it like you have a maximum trades per day?
I was
Or
shooting for...
you feel like you can increase that? Like, I'm trying to increase that, like my mental ability to take more trades and take more setups, and like how we did today.
Yeah. My initial idea was I want to take like, I'll read it to you. I'll read it to you and you can tell me if you think I'm being a little too restrictive. So I was going to get the 5 accounts. I only got 2. But so I was going to do 24 days of 500 or 12 days of 1,000. And that would like, that'll cash me out like 12K in this situation.
I don't know. Anything dealing with P&L based goals, I don't. It's tough. It's tough for me to follow those. It's hard for me to adhere to those because it's just putting too much pressure on.
Like tighter risk setting.
Like
if I lose 200 a day, it's like chill, cool, move on. You know.
200 is your number.
Like 300. Now that I'm in a 100K account, like probably like 300, because I really just want to see it work out or like not. Also drop that in the private chat. I can't copy and paste it from there. All right, where did I get into here? I did a short from there, 72. And then I took that down to those lows, we'll say, approximately, give or take. Actually held and shouldn't have held those. Where did we take our next trade? I think we took a short off Otis edge.
I'm so much like you where I can't. It's difficult for me to work for somebody. Like even
family.
Huh?
Family. Is that what you're referring to?
No. Oh no, it's like even like friends and stuff. Like even doing things with like friends. I'll tell you about it later.
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah.
You ain't got to spill your tea on the internet. Okay, so we did called a that on live. I took a little scalp somewhere. Where did I take the scalp, guys? Where did I take that?
Scalp? I think it was I want to say it was something down there.
Yeah, it was like a little tap into.
Here, go to right click on your Top Step X, or go to Top Step X and you can do execution marks. So go to your platform.
Top
Top
step.
step.
Right click settings.
No, go to settings, and then you should have a thing that says show execution marks. In charts and data. It should be all the way to the right.
Charts and data. Like, oh, okay.
You see
Charts
it?
and data. Show execution. Gross.
I know. Being a scalper, you're like, what the did I do?
All right. Wait, can I show you guys? Ha ha ha. This is actually hilarious. So it's the way that instead of taking the time to do like manually type 6 contracts or something, this is what I do. I have 2 on and I go wah wah wah. Bam 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 bam. Bam bam bam. All right, there we go.
But you're paying for more.
I don't get it's fake money.
I'm
It's
just
not. For those people who calculate every penny that they pay a fake amount of a prop firm, like right,
It's
okay.
fine.
I want to like spread this out so I can see. So I took 1 trade short, held it until that was 3. I added in 4, and then we had 5 and we closed. Okay, so then we got in this. Oh, that was the scalp. So
that's short off that 1 minute. That was fucking
off that 1 minute down to the midnight, and then
that was a gorgeous trade.
And then this is our weird one that we took.
Oh yeah.
This was the for the Devil's Wick or Devil's.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, the Devil's Mark.
And
you're like, spam that.
And then we sold up here. Okay, good. Okay, that was good.
Savage. I was in heavy on that too. Heavy.
2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, and then what are these guys? Yeah, same thing for the New York when I was like, oh, like we're crossing New York, we're gonna go to the top. That's where I was like again.
Mm-hmm.
And then that was the bounce from the New York, and that was it. Beautiful. Okay, so now nice trades for the day.
Mm-hmm.
All around.
On a day that's like pretty range bound. I mean, you took the highs and the lows today.
Mm-hmm.
And like a seek and destroy type thing.
But we crushed it.
We are advanced.
We are advanced. Dun, 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 dun. Long position. Where's the Devil's Mark candle?
It disappeared because on the 15 it was forming and it formed.
What the heck? But it was right. It's right here. It's right here. So
no, that's a 1 minute.
Right.
Oh, you're doing it. Okay, I got you.
But like right here. That's
exactly.
No wick, right?
That's the TP. No, I think our TP was somewhere around that area. I don't know.
Mine was
wick on the 15 minute. But
wait, so
generate.
This is the Devil's. This is the Devil's thing.
No, but it's on the 1 minute. I don't really look at the 1 minute for Devil's Marks because it's just.
Oh, you were looking at a completely different chart, and I just sent it. I'm like
the 15, the 15. The 15 had the Devil's Marks. That was dope. And you just fully trusted me there. You're like, okay.
I fully trusted you. Like
that was dope.
Did. I fully trusted you. And like that's actually so funny because I was looking at something that was not even like it could have really screwed me.
Yeah.
So
you were looking at an hourly gap. You were looking at an hourly gap to the downside, right?
Something
like that.
Nah. I was just trusting the Devil's Mark thing. So 5 minute 5-minute entry, 30 entry teammate style. We'll just call it that. Chat, you guys are a little quiet. Tell me what's up.
Everyone's belly is full right now. They're like, we just ate some good pips, some good ticks.
Some pips.
I said pips. Did you ever trade Forex or no?
No. Like I did a little bit for EA, but not really. I wrote NYC short in your NY.
Yeah, so chat, what she's doing right now, she's just marking up her chart. That way she can review it later. This is like a journal for her. And it just helps with, like just processing and digesting what had happened in the session so that you can go back to it later. And or even in the moment, sometimes I don't even need to go back to it. It's just the process of digesting what you did in the session gives you a little more confidence to do the same thing over and over again. And that's how you build your edge, right?
Yeah, I like to write my entry, my TP, my stop loss, why I took the short. Now I obviously didn't do that here, so I'm gonna mind my word and do it. TP midnight SL. What did I have my SL at? Previous. When I say previous, I just mean previous structure, which is you have your current high that formed. You're just looking for your previous high, and that would be where your stop loss would be most valid, because it can come up here, it can retest this, it can spike slightly above it, it can just wick you out and then go down to your target, and we don't like seeing that. So it's better to put it at previous, because you don't want to see it forming another high beyond what it just formed. All right, cool. Yes, I'm gonna put this one loud and proud, and then let my boy know that he What did you say?
I said tag me.
Tag you? I got you. Got you. This is you.
Tell who? Aircon style. Yeah.
Aircon style.
Teammate style, aircon style. Hell yeah.
Oh, wait. Where'd it go? There we go.
There we go.
My OCD is killing me.
And the first one is Zach style, because he was short too.
Was he? What are you watching everybody's stream while you're watching, or you're on our stream?
I kind of, well, not everybody. I have Zach's here always, so he's my boy.
That's so funny. This is so funny.
What? The fact that you have all these people on your thing.
Really, like implementing the whole gang.
Right? You gotta throw Austin in there, right? Okay.
Yeah.
He would have been really proud if you did the double break play.
We talked about it. We talked about
it. Yeah.
Like that's so funny. I mean, did we do that or not? I think I did, but I don't think it was super valid. Like, so this was Alex's. Yeah, I did do the double break. I added here and then I closed up there.
Yeah, I have to review that Alex trade again, because I'm not 100% sure about like how you did it, or the 38% or whatever.
Yeah.
I may have to go over with you or him.
100%. I can show you from what I understand. I'll definitely like have to sit with it for a second and try to explain it when we get off. But yeah, it's something.
Okay.
Long position. Yeah, I mean, like that was a great trade too. That was
It was.
like, you
It
know,
was.
could have been a double break.
And look where we TP'd. Like, look at this chop.
Oh, for sure.
You know?
We crushed
So
it.
dialed.
And then we're done. So somebody earlier asked me in the chat, who mentored you guys, if any. Right here, boy. Zarb, Zach Arbucci,
Yeah.
ESFX, Austin Silver, Urcon, my mentor, my mentor, teammate. Nah, they're awesome. Are you done for the day? Are you still looking for trades? Honestly, I think we should be done for the day because we made freaking money. Like,
Yeah. I think we definitely took advantage of the range today.
Yep. We got 3K in both accounts. So come back tomorrow, do it all again. Yeah. Yes.
I have to pass my trading combine. I have another like $4,000. No, another $3,000.
Yeah.
To do that. So I'll do that tomorrow or today.
Well, you're welcome to come back on.
Oh yeah, with pleasure.
I think I was talking to Alex. He's probably sleeping, but he was gonna stop in. But I'm down to get off if you're down to get off. I don't think I'm
that's cool.
Trading much more, but I will do my markups on live real quick.
Yeah, I'm down too. That's fine.
I don't know where I TP'd that. I feel like I TP'd it like, let's see where we TP'd that. We got in.
Price will tell you.
We got in at 29.77, 177 to 189. 177. Yeah, that was a little hectic. That was like probably I shouldn't have. 177 to 189. Yeah, like that was silliness. I think I put like 2 contracts on though. Yeah, I'm not marking that. It's ugly. It's ugly. We don't need to put that on the chart. It's just taking space. All right. So yeah, if you guys have any questions in the chat, now's the time. Talk it up. Let me know. Urcon over here. Midnight God.
Midnight God. Even though I'm a day person, I'm not a name person.
I'm yeah, same. People are like, oh, like how do you wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning? Well, because hello, I get to finish my day, be done, go do whatever. So nice.
Bro. Copy image. I don't know. I always like the mornings. It's just like a very peaceful time.
Is gang not okay anymore? Should I write squad?
Oh, squad. Yeah, squad. Shout out to the...
I'm just going to tag people. I don't know.
There you go.
Zarbinski. What is his user? Oh. Okay. Zarb. Zarb. Come on now, Zach. Okay.
I am, yeah.
Yes. Then Austin.
Sakuna, are you done trading today? I know you are. I know you like to take a little more trades, right, Sukuna? Gold. Everyone likes to trade gold for some reason. What is this gold thing?
I feel like gold's more of a Asia session now, right?
Yeah, honestly, I mean, I've always traded an Asian session, but I always say like, you know, I like to focus on one asset at a time. If you trading gold, then stick with gold. Yeah, green on all accounts. Heck yeah, Sukuna. I am green as well. Let me tell you my P&L on the day, sir. 7. That's 2. 2 plus 2,200 on the day. Chat. 2,200 on the day. Yeah, respect gold, Aircon. Respect. Amen. I respect, bro. Yeah, gold volatility, honestly, guys, it's like with the war stuff and everything, I don't know. It's too much for me with the macro.
I wonder why Austin's doesn't just automatically pop up. I feel like it should. There we go. Yes. There comes a time where my brain just doesn't do it anymore. It just doesn't work.
The brain glucose. It's just depleting.
Ew. Why is it capitalizing? All right.
We are ripping, chat.
What's it doing?
Ripping. We are ripping.
Okay. Bop. Post.
Woohoo!
Woohoo.
Yeah, definitely. How's the training going? Like all that and the diet and all that?
The what? The training.
The diet and the training and the diet.
It's going. It's going. Yeah. Going. By the way, why did you leave E8? My contract ended. I was brought on for a couple months to start their live stream, and we ended our contract. But yes, W in the chat, 2,200 up W Urcon. Great day for everyone, except for Valar. Poor Valar.
Did you manage risk, Valar? Is the question.
Yes, it was a short contract. It was like 3 months or something. Yes, I had a job. I did the job. Then we left the job. All right, the most important thing of the day. Oops. I did what you did. I took it off.
Did Aircon.
The most important part of the day. Not that it makes any difference, but if you guys haven't already, you should lock yourselves out. Really, I should lock myself out of Asia session too, because I know I like to fuck around on Asia and blow the accounts.
Come hang out in Asia with me.
You want me to? I will. Yeah. Are you streaming?
Yeah. Probably. We'll do something with Zar. We'll see what's going on. Just hang out.
Let me know.
Good,
I'll come.
Yeah.
We're kind of ripping face right now. Meow. See, we were over here tagging the shorts. Now it's over here doing the opposite.
So on a higher time frame, right? Like we're digging into this daily now, the daily gap.
What did I just get into? Hold on.
Along the decks. Pre-market.
This is like a couple years ago.
Nice and tight so we don't look like a skunk. So we're going to fill out the open. See if we get some trades. If not, have an abundance mindset. Not looking for anything egregious. Yeah, you never know. Oh man, look at these orders at 6,000. They're looking thick. Fucking, I'm long. Okay, make sure you use my link in the description below for just resetting your account, okay? Don't worry about it. Bro, this is clean right here. 4-hour fair value gap in alignment with the point of control. Man, I passed about 16 challenges in the past 30 minutes, and I'm just looking to take more payouts.
Are you kidding me? That's actually hilarious. The amount of the fact that you had the confidence to do that though, that's hilarious.
I know. I gotta do Randy next.
It would never catch me ever trying to mock any of those people.
Oh
my goodness.
Yeah. They're my boys. They're legit my friends. I love those guys.
Yeah, they're awesome. Let's see.
I can't wait to see them next year.
I'm gonna quickly do something. Where is Discord? Do I have anybody new in the chat? Anybody new in the chat? Anybody new in the chat? If you're new in the chat, you drop something. Drop a letter.
Drop it like it's hot, legend.
Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. When the pimp's in the crib, ma.
What's your style of music?
Everything.
You like everything? Because you're a musician. I forgot.
Yeah. All that. Okay. All right, guys. You know the deal. If you beep bop boppity bop. I'll make that cuter later. Guys, if you're here and you're new with us and you want to follow along, you're gonna get yourselves down into the description, and on the description you're gonna find my socials, you're gonna find your boys' socials, and yeah, feel free to. We'll be here. I'll be here Monday through Friday. I don't know what Urcon's gonna do, but maybe we're gonna go stream Asia session later. So.
Yeah, I'll definitely be popping in every once in a while, whenever you want.
Whenever. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to want to do this by myself.
I got you. No, I think it's great. I think it was really good that we, bounced ideas off each other, and
100%.
It was really effective.
We're good really together. We're good traders.
Absolutely.
Yes.
What do you think, chat?
Yeah, Debbie's in the chat. We should just stream together forever. Great first stream, Abby and Urcon. Let's go.
Said why is dynamic duo?
Why is it blank? Let's see. Is there anything else that you see here?
Yeah, so I've been wanting this to dig into the daily gap, right? So go to the daily time frame.
Big old
and
daily.
We are just hide your thingies there if you can, so that I can hide your drawings.
Hide your wife.
So now we're going into this daily gap here, right?
Looking for projection.
Exactly. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm looking for.
Right there, booty. All right, but there's also that 970, 97, down here is the POC, right? So
on the daily?
No. Hold on. Let me do back. Okay, there we go.
It's a untapped POC or what?
It's today's POC. It's down below.
Oh. Right. Oh, it's down below?
Yeah, we discussed this earlier, sir.
Wasn't that previous days?
You're talking about previous days. Sorry, PD.
Previous days. Got it. Okay.
Yeah. So it's down here.
PD. Yes, exactamundo.
But then you said there's also a naked point of control.
There is another. Yes, there's another one. Do you see that one?
What price?
The 458.
458. So approximately up here. So maybe if it wanted to come back up here, tap that and then go back down here.
Yeah,
That's all.
and that would also be in the range. If you measure the high to low, in the range, we're at the premium of that range, and it's the optimal trade entry for the shorts. Also, it's like, break and retest. You could see just the basic level here at the 300s. We ripped through it. I like to see a retest into that 300, 400 area, and then continue the trend. Because these equal lows here at 28,700, those are juicy. Like, we want those.
He said a whole lot of words, chat, but I don't know what he said. I was looking for the fib the whole time, trying to do the high to low. Abby, you think sellers on over sellers on over on NQ? Wow.
He says he's asking, are selling done on NASDAQ right now? Yeah, I would say so for right now, Mohammed.
I think we're looking for
I'm not
like
looking for shorts here.
we have this gap right here on the daily. And so if you come down to a lower time frame, we're like in that gap. I like to pull a fib over the gap and see how it responds to about 50% of that level, like here. Usually if we come up to the 50% and we reject, we're either looking for that to engage 50, reject, and then if we can get support here at this level, then we go back up and we're going to close above it. But if we end up coming up to this gap, go back down, close below it, then we're not filling that gap. We're just rejecting it. So I like to watch for that. But yeah,
some kind of like inversion there, would you look for?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
I'll trade those, pretty often. If I could get an inversion of this, then I could do a short. We'll say it probably would bounce back up here. We're forming a little gap right there. And then I would take it down to this.
I mean, you have a draw liquidity, right? The untapped fair value gap, right? On the 1 minute.
Sí, senor.
Yeah, we can mark it up and just see how this trade plays out and see if the thesis plays out. I mean, I know we're done trading, but
if the thesis is, we could
thesis
with it.
We could thesis.
All right, we want to hear Urkon's song again. Debbie's in the chat if you guys want to hear Urkon's song.
I never even heard it.
It doesn't like have your name in it. It just has. Tell me if you can figure out why it's your song.
Okay.
Let's see if he knows himself. We're looking for closure below. And then because we've formed this gap, we're looking for price. Oh, we did not form a gap. I lied. Ignore me. So yeah, I'd probably just get in. This might not be your song. It might be labeled wrong.
I like it regardless.
I think, hold on, wait. This one's also labeled your name, so let's try this one. All right, guys, I would be hypothetically getting in right around here. I'd be taking it to the gap right there. That would be a little short scalp.
Problem is with this short scalp, like we haven't.
Oh. Hopefully nobody took.
We're done.
Good thing we're done.
So yeah, the only problem I had with that short was that we didn't do any liquidity sweeps of anything. Like we didn't.
I agree.
This is super bullish.
Do you think that's bullish? I don't know if that's bullish. Honestly, it's that big ass green bar.
We are bullish.
Yeah, this one's your song. All right, hold on. Listen to the words.
Yeah. Oh,
Hold on.
precision. Yeah.
Do you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. I saw it in your Discord handle and I was like, I'm just gonna write those words and write a song out of it.
There you go.
Yeah, this is Ercon's song.
We'll gotta work on one like a solid one though. I want a nice one because I love these AI songs. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I'll make you AI songs. You can send me whatever lyrics you want, and I'll make you a song. And tell me, like, send me an example of the song you want it to sound like, and I got you.
Okay.
I'll make you some songs.
Nice.
What is this green line up here? What have I marked?
Tell me.
I didn't at all. Oh, it's the 50% mark. Ha! Go figure. It's 50% of the fair value gap. So that's the sweeps for me. You know, if we could get it back down to like there. I'm telling you those sweeps, they work. And then what would this be like? That's the 29%. Okay. Yeah. So something like that.
Okay.
And I treat it the same way that I would treat like a POC or a midnight. If we get like a strong candle closure above it, it invalidates it for me because like let's say we give it room and then this candle comes up and half of the body or more closes above it, then we're probably going to continue higher. So when I first got into coaching with Zarb, I started watching, like I was just really tuning into that and started like studying it. I don't have technically back tested data, but I have my eyeballs that I used.
Okay. I think we got a little bit more juice to the upside here.
Potential. Oh, patience. All right, closing all of these. You want to see how many accounts I've passed from Top Step?
Yeah.
$46 accounts passed.
Guys.
46.
Killer.
Do you want to know how many payouts taken from Top Step?
2.
Chat, guess how many payouts? A winner gets an account. I actually have accounts to give away. I totally forgot.
I'm sure chat would love that.
Hashtag let's go Top Step. Use my code. Top Step back in this stream right now. How many payouts I've taken, guys? So I've passed 46 accounts. It's not a good number. I passed these accounts like before I was ever profitable in trading. So you got to guess lower. Let's do this song now. So far, nobody's got it. Nobody's gotten it yet. Should we do a duck race? Since there's only a few of you guys in here, I feel like I could just manually enter your names. Let's do that. Let's do a duck race. All right, guys. Say your name in the chat one time. One time. One time. Say your name in the chat one time. We got Philip. Paul. Stephanie. I'm spelling these wrong. I apologize. Victor. Joseph. LS the Wizard. What else? What else we got? Med. Y'all need to be more sending your markups and stuff. Neon, let's go, Neon. Thanks for being over here with us. Manish. Petru. Yeah. I'm manually entering everybody's names.
Oh, okay.
All right, cool. We're on it. Let's run it.
Duck raise. I think your screen is on top step still.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I know. I'm moving things around and stuff. Did you add me? No, TM, I didn't. Have you been with us? Have you been with us? Are you?
Yeah,
I know.
They've been here.
TM. You'll have to be part of my Discord if you wanna be in this. I also I'm gonna respect the people who've been in the group talking this morning, so that we don't get any random stragglers seeing a duck on the screen right now and trying to throw their name in. All right, I'm running it. How long, Erkan?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 whole minutes. What are we gonna do for 2 minutes?
Do we do that?
That's a long time. Set. On your marks. We're gonna turn all the volumes down because I don't really want to hear the quacks. They're weird. 1 hour. I should just run we should do the giveaway starting in the beginning, and then schedule it for an hour.
Yeah, right.
2
Have
minutes.
a stream long race. Check up on it every once in a while.
It's just gonna sit here and lag for 2 minutes.
Oh, it's not okay.
Guys, this is my first stream. Thank you for being here. Erkan, thank you for being here. If you haven't already, drop a like. If not for me, for Erkan. And yeah, let them know.
Absolutely.
Also, not Claude trying to throw me under the bus this morning with the description. That was violent.
I know. I was kind of shocked. I was like, oh no.
Whoa, 16 people and we got 21 likes. You guys are fantastic.
Nice.
You guys literally are the freaking best.
Yes, of course. SM5. Who's SM5 again? Your friend?
Stephanie.
Stephanie.
Yeah, she's in Zarb's thing.
Oh, okay. I probably engaged with her at one point.
I told her we're gonna bring her on here and have her ask me all the 2 hours of questions she asked me yesterday, because it would be very informative. It definitely helps me too, coaching people.
Yeah, I think it absolutely helps me too. It keeps you sharp. And 10 seconds left. Who's in the lead? Come on, Muhammad.
All right, what do we got?
Oh.
It's Frozen. Frozen. We're just winner. Oh! Oh! Everybody else, come! Let's go! TM.
Oh, W.
TM said, "Did you add me?" And he was like the last person I added. So I was in the chat for TM.
That's
All right,
crazy.
TM, you know the deal. This is going to be a top 1 futures account, 50K account, daily payouts, elite daily account. Yeah, you guys are getting the good ones, like no measly 25K accounts. Because top 1, I asked him, I said, hey, do you want to give me instead of 3 50K, do you want to give me 6 25K? And they're like, no, we'll give you 6 50K. And I was like, you guys are awesome. If you don't know already, top 1 has straight to funded. They have all kinds of stuff and they're really awesome. Yeah, you guys, and my code, you can use my code. Do you have a code there?
With who?
Top 1 Future.
I do. Yeah, I'm affiliate for Top
If you
1.
like Ergon better, you can use his code.
You can do 1 account Abby, 1 account me.
Yeah. Buy one, buy another.
Exactly.
All right.
It's all about scaling, right?
Huh?
All about scaling.
Yours. I think the information that I need from you, TM, is just like your first name, your last name, and your email, if I'm not mistaken. But just DM me and I'll figure it out. You gave him a Red Bull. Shout out Red Bull. You guys should sponsor me. All right. Well, it's been real. Thanks for an awesome first stream. Somehow we ended up on here for 2 hours anyways. Love to see it.
Yeah,
But
it was good.
guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Whoever wants to show up will be here.
Good. See you guys.